Okay, have a go at number 8. Now I think part A here is really quite tricky. It's all about completing the square, but it's very confusing with the minuses here. So I think the best way of looking at it is like this. Rearrange the left hand side into that order. Now decide to sort of multiply through by -1, or really factorize, so sort of take out a -1. So that's minus open bracket and then change all the signs, x squared minus 4x plus 5. That then is a lot easier to do completing the square to. So the completing the square of that I've done over here in purple. So remember, you halve the coefficient of the x, so halve the -4, that's x minus 2 all squared. Now x minus 2 all squared will give us x squared minus 4x plus 4, so we need the -4 to cancel out that plus 4. So then bringing in the 5, so basically that x squared minus 4x plus 5 can be written as x minus 2 all squared plus 1. So substitute that back in over here. Now effectively do that multiplying through by the -1. That gives us this. So what we're saying is, so q is -1 and p is -2. I think part B and part C are much more straightforward. To calculate the discriminant, remember A is the coefficient of the x squared, B is the coefficient of the x, and C is the number on the end. So that's A, B and C. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, so substituting that in we get -4. Now because the discriminant is negative, there are no real roots, so this curve will not cross the x-axis. So it will cross the y-axis, so we just basically go and see when x is 0, what value do we get? Well, when we substitute x is 0 in, we get 0 and 0 and a -5. So it crosses at 0 -5, so you need to have it crossing there. It's a sad face curve because it's a minus x squared. It doesn't cross the x-axis, so that's how our curve looks over there.